Hey guys, remember I told you that my Bambu Lab H2D 3D printer just broke in the middle of the print a couple of weeks ago. So apparently it was leading screws, actually 2 out of 3, and not the leading screw by themselves, but the nuts inside the mounting point. So I went to the Best Buy, where I purchased this printer less than 1 year ago, and it was zero help from them because I don't have extended warranty. And then I reached out to BambuLab service desk, and they proposed me 2 options. Option number 1, to send this printer somewhere within United States for their affiliated service center, and option 2, to send me the repairman kit with like a replacement for these leading screws and nuts. And guess what was my choice? Okay, as a repairman kit, I have these 3 rods in assembly somehow, right? So I assume I need just to replace my 3 rods with these parts, and it should be all good. Let's see. So first, we need to lower the bed to the very bottom, and we need to fix the bed in place so it will not move up and down, because we need to revert upside down the printer itself. Okay, now we need to turn it upside down, right? And we need to disassemble 1, 2, 3 points to replace the leading screws. First, we need to disassemble bigger from 3 blocks, the bigger one. Okay, next important step is to remove this cover altogether. And as I mentioned, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 4, 5, 6, and 1 in each stand. Now we need to replace the front Z-axis lead screw, and it should be the same for left and right. Okay, now I can see that how can I remove it. You cannot just pull it up, right? You need to unscrew it, and in this way you can pull the whole part up. Here you go, old rod ready. But my problem not in a rod itself, right? Not in this leading screw. It's all good. I mean, it's dusty and dirty, but it's all good. My problem in a nut inside, which is I think just lost all grip on this leading screw. So I need to replace what is inside of this part. Here you go, guys. This is the main problem of my H2D BambuLab, and let me show you why. I hope, guys, you can see it. I don't know, maybe I will try to record this video later with a closer look, but basically I don't have any thread inside this nut. It's just flat. That's why it cannot keep a leading screw, and this is the problem. Okay, now let's try to assemble these rods back into the printer. So I have a new nut already kind of pre-assembled together with rods, so I'm going to just try to insert it as is. Okay, now let's fix the broken nut, actually, what we just replaced with a new one. Let's just fix it back. Okay, as a next step, we need to remove the whole back panel from the printer. Okay, now we need again put it upside down and remove back screw, lead screw from backside. Now we need to remove this back nut, and I need to say that it's just awful, of course, how hard all of this, and it's crazy. I will be really surprised if this printer will work after my repairment. Another broken nut is out, and again, absolutely flat surface inside. I will make a photos later, so you will be able to see the in details, because I cannot focus my camera good enough to show you, but it's basically nothing inside. And now let's try to assemble the last part, right? It's back leading screw, or whatever is name of this part. But first we need somehow to screw in the new nut. It's a first moment of truth. Let's check if I can move it by hand. It seems I can, and I don't have any almost any wobbling. Now let's finish the assembly and let's do a calibration or something like that. Okay guys, let's switch it on. And as I mentioned, I will be really surprised if it can work still after my 2 or 3 hours work. But let's see. Okay, let's try to move it home. I can hear some strange noises, but maybe it's okay. And also do not forget that we need to lubricate all of this, right? So what do you think, guys? Maybe it is working. So I'm going to lubricate quickly the leading screws, right? And I'm going to run the calibration session. And if I will be able to do a calibration, it's just great success. Okay guys, I'm starting a full calibration. It will take approximately 1 hour and 30 minutes. So I'm not going to record like the whole process. I will be around, in and out, and I will tell you what will be at the end. Okay guys, 50% is ready and it's still in one piece. So I hope everything is okay. And everything is okay. You can see that I can print a benchy and it's all good, and printer is up and running for me for a couple of days already, and I cannot see any visible problems. So yeah, you can do this at home alone.